I got to get him a pentagon. All right, so here you're given a graph. We just need to talk about a couple of things. So we have the area under the curve from A to B, and they're saying that it's equal to 10. Then we have the area under the curve from B to C. It says 94, but really what should it say? Why negative? Because it's net and it's below. So we're going to say this is negative 94. And then I've got my teeny tiny area here from C to D, and this is 9. So now I have it all beautifully color-coded, right? Okay, how often do we get to color in calculus? Never. All right, so integral from A to B of f of x dx, what is it? It means find the area under the curve from A to B. Look at the graph. Oh my gosh, it's 10. Done. Okay, what about from B to C? Negative 94. Now careful, what about from A to C? Negative 84. Why is it negative 84? Because Jay forgot that it was negative, okay? And then what about from A to D? Tell me what you do. You add them all together, and what do you get? Negative 75. Okay. Everybody good with that? Yeah. Some of you are like, okay, there's really got to be more to it. Yeah, it's too... No. It's easy. Okay. So the first one here, I'm going to tell you right now, you will see this again in your homework, and you will see this again. Okay? You already took a quiz, so... Okay. So here this is saying the area under the curve of whatever the function is from negative 1 to 6 is something you need to find. And then they give you some pieces here. They're saying that from 2 to negative 1 of the function is equal to 7, meaning the area under the curve from 2 to negative 1 is 7. What do you notice about this? What do you notice about the bounds? They're flipped. It doesn't go from smallest to biggest. So what we need to do is rewrite this. So you need to think back about that rule. We want to rewrite this as the, integral from negative 1 to 2 of f of x dx. What's that going to be equal to then? Negative 7. Meaning that portion of the graph is where? It's below the x-axis. And then from 2 to 6 of this function, the area is equal to 5. So think about it like this. They want us to find the area from negative 1 all the way to 6. They gave us from negative 1 to 2, here's my area, it's negative 7. That's the value. Okay, this is not the graph. This is just the value. I'm thinking about it algebraically in my head. Then from 2 to 6, the area is 5. If I want this total area, what do I do with those two values? Oh my gosh, I just add them. So we're saying the integral from negative 1 to 6 of f of x dx is equal to what? Yeah, negative 2. You're done. That's it. Okay? Seriously. I cannot lie. Let it be easy. Okay? Enjoy it while you can. All right, so here, they want us to find the area from 0 to 6 if they're telling us the area underneath the curve from 10 to 0 of f of x dx is negative 4 and 6 to 10 is 8. Okay, do we see any issues that we need to fix first?
Flippity-do that 10 and 0.
Flippity-do the 10 and the 0. Okay, so this is what we've got. There you go. So what do I say is my value?
4.
That's true.
Flip the sign. You got to do it.
Okay, so here, what's my lowest value on my bounds? Lowest value? 0. What's my highest value? 10. Okay, so they want us to find 0 to 6. I know that looks like it's halfway, but it's fine. 0 to 6. This right here is my unknown value. They're saying that from 0 to 10, this value is 4. And from 6 to 10, this value is 8. What does 0 to 6 have to be? Okay, just think about it algebraically. So if we know that this area under the curve plus this area under the curve is equal to this, just say question mark or x. There you go. So that means the area from 0 to 6 of f of x dx is negative 4. What does that mean? Yes, it's below the x-axis. Yes?
Why do you have to flip the
because the bounds always go from smallest to biggest. Okay?